Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. We're going to talk about the fact that it's holding its own, and it's holding pretty well now against some pretty significant pressure in the overall market. I just did a video. I released it a few minutes ago. I'll link it at the end of this video so you can see what I'm talking about. But the overall crypto markets are, I wouldn't say they're crashing, but they are absolutely dropping like a rock. Right now, the overall crypto market is down 8.7% and dropping. Bitcoin is down 7%. Ethereum's down 8%. Cardano's down 8%. I've got it up here so I can see that. And Shiba Inu is only down about 4%. Here's why this is relevant. It looks like we've got a pretty significant event coming out of China. And yes, this is relevant to Shib, so bear with me. We got a pretty significant event coming out of China where a major company called China Evergrande or Evergrande, which is the second largest land development company in China, has got about $300 billion worth of debt out there. Looks like they're about to default and everything, and it's spilling over and it's hitting the stock market, it's hitting crypto market. That's what this is. This is not a that's the event, the outside event that's popping and hitting the crypto market. So I wanted to make this real quick video for you guys, for the Shib holders, for you guys that watch my content, because A, I wanted you guys to be aware. B, I know that not all the times all my Shib watchers don't always watch my other content, right? I get that. So I wanted to make a specific video for you guys to let you guys know what's going on. And again, I'll link that video at the end. So at the end of this video, watch the rest and then check out that video at the link. There'll be a link up here somewhere up above me that'll show up, and that'll be a link to the video where you can go specifically see me talking about this Chinese situation that's developing. Okay, so the real problem with this Chinese company, this big land developer, is that it's impacting the entire housing market. It's starting to create a housing bubble burst over in China, which the problem with that is, I don't know if you guys remember when we had a housing bubble burst here in the United States, when housing is housing and development and so forth of houses and apartment buildings and all that kind of stuff, when that bubble bursts, it impacts every other financial market kind of around it, right? It's one of the massive markets globally, and we saw that happen here in the United States a few years back. I lived through it. It sucked, okay? And so that looks like what's happening over in China is that we're about to have a housing bubble and we start to have a lot of not good stuff, okay? And that's going to spill over and impact. My point to you, back to why I'm making this for you guys, for my Shib holders, is that A, I wanted you guys to be aware of this. B, I wanted you guys to know that Shib's holding up really well. It's only down about 4% when this overall market is not doing well at all. The overall market is, I don't like the word crashing, but it is going down dramatically. I don't think we're quite to a crash, but it's going down dramatically. Okay, so finally, is this a buying opportunity or not? If it's I'm just telling you guys straight up, my opinion, I'm going to keep my cash on the side. I mean, I got a lot of money in the crypto market and in the equity markets, everything else. I'm going to keep my cash on the side just a little bit to see kind of in the next day or two how this all plays out, okay? But if we start to see kind of a bounce back or anything like that, you might want to be looking at having some cash, dry powder as they call it, to kind of put back into the market and buy at some of these lows. Because I mean, right now Ethereum's at $3,000. I didn't think we would see sub $3,000 for Ethereum at all. I didn't think that was going to happen. Okay, so again, I wanted to let you guys know that this is what's going on. So kind of hold strong, but we're looking pretty good. And I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.